Well, good day, folks. This is your boy Ferris Salon, and I am coming to you live. Sorry, I'm eating on something while I'm talking. But what I wanted to do is kind of share with you a simple post in a simple way for you not to catch a headache when you're doing your posting. This is one of my posts that I have right here, Ford Travel 10. Now, if you're in a lot of Facebook groups, this is my other profile. And this particular profile is one of the ones that catches where a lot of people post in the Facebook groups. And to make it easier on yourself when you're doing your posting, is you make one post in every group. One post, excuse me, in every group that somebody has already made a post in. Like you go behind them instead of going to groups and every time trying to log in, just every time you click a link, just go down here and every time everywhere somebody's posting at, click up right behind them. And let me see if I can find one of these groups. Okay, hold on. No, it's not one. There's certain groups where you can post in these groups, and let me see. Like these groups right here. Like these groups right here, where it says sell something. I'm gonna show you something real quick. Hold on. Let me see. Let me go back and get one of my posts already. And snatch that up right quick. Snatch that up right quick. Copy. I'm gonna go back over here. To this one, and it says sell something. Okay. Somebody said that they don't like posting in these groups, in these particular groups. Well, excuse the language right there, but they hate drama, and some people like to cause drama. But these little groups like right here, some of them are pretty big. They have network marketing groups that are like that. Just click your little ad that you copy from there, bam, you sell them. Hot new club. Yeah. Hot new $20 travel club. It's $20 a month, but $24.95 when you sign up, because the $4 is for the Hyper Wallet. That $4 extra charge is, of course, for the Hyper Wallet that you pay for. So go in here. From a post, now I can use anything, but since we got in this, they use it as a business card or whatever have you. I have a place right now where I can order business cards and stuff like that. If you want to look at some of my other videos to find out where I think I will post it at the end of this video. Holy crap, come on. My computer is old, so it's a little slow, y'all. And I do have a lot of windows open on it, so. All right. What you want to do? No, I don't need you. Thank you. Pictures. All right, as of my. All right, where did I post it? Yeah, it is. Hey. Unlock the gift. propagate. Once this comes live, now what you want to do, I think I posted some of the top ones already, so I don't want to go there. So I want to do one. I got one posted already. There's two, there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, I made post earlier. Hold on. 11. You make 11 up to 11 posts without them, you know, slapping your hand. I was trying to do, I haven't had issues because I was trying to do 63 of them at a time, and boy, they was clowning me. So be sure when you're doing your posts, just do it like this. When you post in the groups, and it posts to 11 groups for you already. So you can make that simple and easy on yourself. Make it simple and easy on yourself. Do not do more than 11 because they'll slide your hand. But to make it easier on yourself, instead of going, clicking all the way and going back to groups, which will start you over, instead of going, I think over, yeah. Instead of trying to do all these right here, just follow where everybody else has been. I think it's a little bit easier. Chrome may be a little bit easier because I use Firefox on the other one, so Chrome may be a little bit different. So, you know, Chrome may be just a tad bit different. You know, so it makes it easier. Whatever way it makes it easier on you to post, do it. You know, do it. Make it simple for yourself. And also too, when you get into the rotator of our team, do not, you get an email from me, email me back saying, hey, I'm joined. No matter whose team you're on, you may not be, no matter who you landed on as your sponsor, who landed on you as your sponsor, you may just, you want to, you can email me and send me your link, because I have to enter your link into the rotator, into the link rotator, to get you traffic towards your site so you can start getting signed up. During the time period that we were in the pre-registration phase, the company was not sending out emails, and I didn't have a back office to look into to see if anybody had signed up with me, and then nobody emailed me telling me, hey, well, I signed up with you. So I didn't know. So if you're sitting out there stuck like Chuck, I emailed you, and email me back with your link, and I'll put you in a rotator ASAP to try to get you some traffic, because I'm not going to be bogged down. I'm not going to be messed up about giving nobody no dollar. You know, let nobody get $1, because 10 levels, I said 9 levels down. At some point, you're going to have to promote for yourself, because you're going to want your stuff free, but this is just to help and add on. I no way am creating a lottery type system to where you can get in this business and it's going to get all your signups. Because mind you that there's going to be people coming into this thing that are going to be following up behind you. So I'm not going to keep $1. That's not something I want to do. I'll spread wide and I'll get my eventual 20 people eventually. But until that point, I'm not going to sweat the hustle. I'm not going to sweat the hustle. My tree is going to be built, deep down low. Here's one thing I want to tell you. Why take a couple funky dollars, $1 or $2, when you could have 100,000 of them, or 200,000 of them, or 300,000 of them, 400,000 of them, 500,000 of them? If you dream, if you think about pennies, you'll constantly make pennies. But if you think about dollars, you'll make a whole lot of them. So, $1 make me holla, honey, boo boo child. You remember that. Anyway, this has been your boy, Harris Deloney, reminding you guys to be blessed, not stressed, always be motivated by success, and I'll see you guys on the beaches of the world. If not, I hope to see you at the bank cashing a big, stinking check, living your best life, baby. Ooh.